Today, I have a message for our Somali youth, both those present here and those elsewhere. Somalia has not been fair to your generation and the generations to come. Many of my peers have failed to consider the future, your future, and the future of those who will follow. Sadly, some continue to perpetuate their failure through extremist ideologies, clan divisions, and personal interests that place their gains over the well-being of Somalia. On behalf of my generation, I want to apologize for the mistakes we have made and for not leaving you with a better inheritance, a nation that provides basic rights and opportunities for all. We must acknowledge our failures. Raalli ahaada ilmahaygiyo. Please forgive us, our children. However, we are responsible for the mistakes of the past. It's up to all of us to shape a better today and tomorrow. Therefore, I urge you to step forward and demand a change of course toward a positive and prosperous Somalia. To the young men and women present here today, I encourage you to remain connected to your roots as a Somali Nimo, to stay informed about what's happening in Somalia, the region where we are, and the world in general. You are all ambassadors of our nation. And it's through your knowledge, your integrity, and your commitment that Somalia's dignity and future will be safeguarded. Be ready to take over, to lead, and to bring about positive change to that our country needs. Yes. In closing, I'm deeply thankful for this honor, and I'm inspired by the dedication of each of you here today. Let's continue to work together with walaalnimo in our hearts to build Somalia that can all be proud of. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guide us all, protect us, and unite us in our journey ahead. Thank you, and may peace be upon you all.
Thank you, Ambassador. Please round of applause.